Just had a very small piece of new filling chip off. What will need to be done for repair? No tooth-like structure on what fell out, no pain or sensitivity.
If the filling chipped off without exposing the tooth structure, you may ask the dentist to smooth the rough surface of the filling. If the chipped-off filling exposed the tooth structure underneath, you may need to have the filling repaired or redone depending on the type of the filling. Leaving the rough surface may create problem in the future as it is more difficult to clean food from the area. So, the trip to your dentist is recommended. Also, the dentist can help identify the cause of having a chipped filling. If you have further questions, please feel free to ask.
Thanks. Planning to call on Monday and schedule a follow-up. Just a rough edge on a molar. Tooth surface doesn't look to be exposed, just more filling. Will likely ask for small patch, just to avoid too much space between teeth. It was a larger filling, and less than a week old.
Unless the chipping is caused by high filling, you may want to ask the dentist if a crown is necessary to protect the filling from chipping in the future. It is always better to prevent the chipping as we don't know how much structure will be chipped off next time. Be certain to move your jaw around after the repair to see if there is any high spot that is not even with your normal occlusion and chewing pattern before leaving the dental office. Good luck. Let me know if I can be of further assistance.
One spot had felt slightly high before this came off, so I'm hoping that's all that happened. Will ask to be sure what is needed. Thanks.
By the way, if the rough spot begins to irritate your tongue, you can use an orthodontic wax from drugstore, soften in warm water and pack into the rough area. Smooth the wax with your finger and your tongue. Bite down to remove high spot. Let me know how things are after you see the dentist.
Redrilled, refilled, feeling great. They fit me in despite a tightly scheduled day, which was also the only day my dentist was going to be in this week. Wonderful, wonderful office to work with.
Great.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.